Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Samsung Big Clock on your any Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download zip file available on description and simply extract the zip file on your file manager. Look at this. After extract, look at these many beautiful fonts. Simply install Oppo Big Clock fonts. But guys, remember, before install, simply go to setting, go to security and privacy and simply disable auto blocker. After disable auto blocker, now install fonts one by one. And look at this font install on my Galaxy device. After install, let me show you how to enable. Simply tap and hold. Tap on clock. Now simply go to more font and look at this lock screen Oppo Big Clock. Simply select, go back and Oppo new Big Clock enable on my Galaxy device. Look at this. Simply tap on done. And guys, look at this new Big Clock enable on my Galaxy device. Guys, you also set this clock horizontal or vertical. Look at this, simply change style and set clock like this. You also change colors, styles, Now let me show you another clock font. Look at this Xiaomi. Select this clock font, simply go back and look at this rounded clock enable on your Galaxy device. So guys, simply install one by one all the clock fonts and enjoy on your Galaxy device. Guys, remember these clock fonts work only on One UI 6, One UI 7, One UI 8 and One UI 8.5. And look at this guys, still AOD not working on my Galaxy device. Then simply tap and hold. Guys, remember, first install Good Lock and update all Good Lock modules include Lockstar. After install and update all Good Lock modules, simply tap on Lockstar, tap on Always On Display, tap on Clock and select same clock font in AOD and tap on Done. And look at this new AOD and clock enable on your Galaxy device. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.